Hi, so here we are again with our newly introduced product, that is automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, or you can say contactless hand sanitizer dispenser. This particular product comes in two different variants. One is NS and second is TS. Left of me is NS and right of me is TS. NS means nozzle spray system, DS means drop spray system. In the NS, the sanitizer dispense in the mist format, or in DS, the sanitizer dispense in the drop manner. Let me show you how it works. At the bottom part, here is an ultrasonic sensor. So when anyone show their hand or put their hand in front of the sensor, the sanitizer comes in the mist format like this. Let me show you again. Pretty good. So in this particular machine, the sanitizer also will be also dispensed, but in different manner. Let me show you how it comes in the drop manner. The 2.5 ml per dispense, and in this machine around 6 ml. So wastage part in this machine pretty high, but in this machine the wastage part is pretty less. So both machines can be used in anywhere, like shops, factories, schools, colleges, banks, everywhere. Hope all you guys just like this particular video as well as our product. So keep supporting us. Thank you so much. We would like to entertain and just provide such innovative products in the future also. Thank you so much. Here I am Mukesh on behalf of Armex Technology. Bye bye.